What's up, guys? Actually, I decided to be outside today to chill. You know, you guys know it's NFP. I don't really trade on NFP, but I still had my GU trades going for the past 2 days. Almost got stopped out, but I'm holding those shorts right now as it's April 1st. You guys can see my positions right here and everything. You know, you guys see your boy rolling. So I'm gonna give you guys a short breakdown of how I executed my GU sells, and I'm currently hope that it hits my target for 70 pips to the downside to hit price 1.30816. So I hope you guys enjoy this breakdown. All right, guys. So as you guys heard before, I'm gonna basically go over my reasoning why I took sales right here. Right. So on, I think it was like all of last week, I was actually in buys because this trend line here, I was actually following this trend line coming off this overall bigger reversal pattern that we had going on here, the reversal head and shoulder that everybody pretty much saw on GU all of last week, 2 weeks ago, right? So I was a part of the set of people that was actually taking longs, right? So I took longs, and I put my stop loss and a profit around here. Price came back down. So I said to myself, let's pay attention and see if price is going to break the trend here, right? If you can see on the 4-hour, this is the actual trend, but on the charts, we have these wicks going out here, right? So we want to focus in here, right? The next thing for me now, price broke this area, broke the trend. So the area where price broke the trend, that's the area where I'm going to put my first zone, right? So after a breakout, we need a retest off the trend, right? Simple setup. There is nothing hard to it. This is just trading. Just be patient, wait for setups to come to you, and then you can go ahead and take them, right? So for this particular trade, all I did was, the trade was showing me buys. I took buys. When the sell showed itself, I know the rules of trading. I need to wait. What happened? I wait. Price came out. Price broke out. Price retested and melt. But to me, normally when I see price, close below that level for the first and then retest and drop, usually on the time frame like 4, 3, 2, 1, that's very early, right? So I like getting in on areas like, on the 12-hour. I want a very strong 12-hour to close below, and then price came back, and then I'll take the trade. So that's what I did, right? I'm in a little drawdown because my take profit was actually deeper around this area, but we'll see how it goes, right? See how it goes. But as you guys can see, I went ahead now and I took my entry around, I think I took it on March 30th. I took my entry right here, this close of this candle here. Right, so I had my zone and I closed it and I said, all right, let's put my stops above here. I had a 35 pip stop loss, exactly. And it was a 70 pip take profit. So I need to bring this up just a little bit, Boom. So I got in right around here. So I've been holding this trade for 2 days now, and my take profit is sitting here. Price is reversing a little bit, but I hope to God it continues down in here. But that was simply my breakdown. Nothing too fussy, nothing too extra. I know the overall direction of GU on a higher time frame is where to the downside, right? So if it's giving me this reversal pattern, I should trust it. The direction at that time was going up, so I trusted the direction. Now price broke the structure and changed the direction that it was going into. So what I did, I changed my analysis, right? I changed my analysis and I took the sells. But the good thing about these sells is price was actually on a downtrend move, created this lower high, and now price is dropping. So in my mind, I'm thinking that, oh, these sells that I'm going for, it's probably gonna work, because if we know the higher time frame direction, all we need is a pattern. And when we get that pattern, all we need next is risk management. That's it. Risk management, so we can execute the trade. So that's pretty much what I did. Simple breakdown, not too long of a video. And all I'm doing now is just watching to see if price is going to drop in this area. If price successfully drops in this area, I'll be okay. The good thing is I'm monitoring my trade, knowing that the last area I'm paying attention to is going to be somewhere here. I'm expecting a retest around this area because we had price creating like the lower low, that last low point here, you know, that structure that it created here. So now I'm at break even now. So I'm hoping that price retests this area around 31.11, 31, 1.31195 area in here, and then continue to move to the downside. Because if we want to get down to here, this point that the market created here, we have to break that area. And if we successfully break that area, we need a retest. We're not going to leave unless we get a retest. So if we're going to get a retest here to get down into this area, because yes, I care about the line, the candle chart, yes, but at the same time, the line chart will help you know that, yo, if the line chart hasn't reached down to here, we really haven't got down to this point, right? Yes, the candles, it's really good to use the candles for your analysis and stuff, but I trust the line chart. So if the line chart shows me that, yo, it hasn't reached down to this area, I might just trust the trade to hold it to see if it's going to drop. But if the line chart closes above here, I'm getting out. But if the line chart keeps on dropping, I'm going to stay in the trade. But on a candle, it's a wick, right? So I'm just going to hold to see what's going to happen. I've been holding this trade for 2 days. I'm finally at break even. I don't see the problem trying to hold a trade now, right? Yes, it could reverse on me, but I'll try to hold it and see. But yeah, these are the trades I'm in right now on GU. Just looking for 70 pips. Maybe I should have took profit on the edge of this box here and just say, fuck it to the other 8 pips to make it 70. I should have done that, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna trust my analysis and I'm gonna see this trade through, right? Usually after I take trades, I don't watch them too much, especially if they broke the zone that I'm watching. If it broke that zone, I'm okay. I'm leaving it, letting it do what it's gonna do. It's either it comes back, hits me at break even, or I'm gonna see my profits. All right. If you want to make money, you gotta go for the risk. And I see that, I think I have 6 lots on this, or 9 lots, I think. I think I have 6 lots. So if this plays out, I know exactly how much I'm gonna make. So yes, guys, this is my small breakdown. I hope the information that I gave to you was clear and you guys can definitely hear everything that I'm saying. And also any questions that you guys have for me, let me know. I can, I'm gonna keep doing this breakdown. Every trade that I win moving forward, I'll try to make sure I put a breakdown video for it. So yeah, guys, thank you for being on my page. As I said before, you guys should like, subscribe, and share. All right. Thank you.